Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on PNB Housing Finance. Analyst maintains positive view on PNB Housing Finance Ltd. The risk-reward profile appears compelling given steady outlook on earnings and attractive valuation. We expect PNB Housing Finance to grow robustly, projecting AUM PAT CAGR 19% and 22% for FY25 to 27. Growth trajectory is expected to translate into ROA and ROE of 2.6% and 14.2% in FY27. The stock price is down more than 25% over the past 5 months, which could see reversal trend as the company's growth plan is on track, which will help to generate steady NIMs and strong ROE along with outlook for asset quality is stable and has attractive valuation. We assign a price to book multiple of 1.3x to the company's projected FY27 earnings, implying a potential upside of 23%. At the current market price, the stock trades at 1.1x its FY27 book value. A sustained track record of successful execution is likely to drive re-rating for the stock. Next, we have an update on Bajaj Finance. Analyst maintains buy with a revised price target of Rs 10,500. Succession has been executed well. Continuity of the leadership reinforces the investors' confidence. Overall, we expect strong AUM PAT CAGR of 25% and 26% over FY25 to 27 period. The growth is expected to translate into the strong returns ratio of ROA more than 4%, ROE more than 21% in FY27. It is expected to outperform peers in near term of growth returns ratio trajectory, and this makes an interesting play in quality large cap space. We retain buy rating with a revised price target of Rs 10,500. At the current market price, the stock trades at 4.7x and 4x its FY26 and 27 book value. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.